So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to set up Complianz. There's a few nuances that have come out as we've been kind of using it on different websites, so I'll try and explain each of those. So go through. As you enable the plugin, you'll get Complianz on the side there, so you can go to your wizard, and that will help you set that up then. Okay, so some of these are going to change site to site, but which privacy law or guideline do you want to use as the default for your worldwide visitors? Most of our clients are going to come from the UK, so we'll put the UK in there. If you're going for a global audience, I don't think there's too many, but you might need to either upgrade or look at an alternative cookie plugin for that one. Do you target visitors from Jersey or Guernsey? So go no. Do you have site with visitors with login access to a restricted area of the website? So I don't consider this for kind of our clients that want to log in, more for if the website serves as a function that has a restricted area that you have to log in to be able to see if it's resources or something like that. So for this one, I'll click no. Okay, so with the legal documents, cookie policy, I'm going to generate mine with the plugin. If you already have one, you can go on existing page. But yeah, for this one, I'm going to generate it with the plugin. For privacy statement, to generate it with Complianz, you have to upgrade. On the franchise share drive, though, there is a kind of privacy template that I've put together that you can use for your sites. I think this site already has one. So I've switched over from a different cookie plugin for the sake of this video, so we had all that already. Imprint, you got the tool tips here. So yeah, as you can see, it kind of provides general contact information about the organization. I tend to leave this as none. Within the privacy statement, I always put all the contact information in there. So there's no need to create another page. You have to upgrade to generate it with the plugin. So yeah, for my needs, it's never really needed. Disclaimer, yeah, mostly about kind of liability. Tend to use that if there's kind of maybe advice on the site. But yeah, with this plugin, you can generate it if you want to upgrade it. But would only use it if the website is providing advice. For this one, we'll click none. So who is the owner of the website? So this is for us, so you can pop in the business, pop in the address there. I can't remember our address, so I'm going to just pop in something in the UK. Email address, pop in mine for now, but it tends to be a general kind of office email, and phone number. Save and continue. With these, as you can see, it's an upgrade for a couple, so you've got no options there anyway. Respect, do not track, and global privacy control. I think it says here, but this is an old standard of people requesting to do not track. It's not a legal necessity, so it's really up to you if you want to respect that. But yeah, not many browsers really use it anymore. I'm going to select no for mine, but feel free to select yes if you wish to. Okay, so it's got 15 cookies on the domain already. I'm going to scan again. Sometimes it does find more, so I tend to always scan again. Yeah, there we go. It's found some more. So now we're up to 19 cookies. So yeah, it does help to scan that and double check. So we've done that and we can continue. Do compile statistics of this website. So yeah, you've got yes with Matimo, yes with Google Analytics. And yeah, I will show you how to get the Matimo ones shortly. I'm going to. So do you want to use cookies tracking with Matimo? I tend to choose yes. If we go here and view the source. So if you go to your website, view developer and view source, that gives you all the code behind. And we're going to find the Matimo section for in a minute. Okay. So save and continue. So you got enter the URL of Matimo. So that is this one here. Yeah, because it's becoming from Matimo. So we'll pop that in there. And you've got the site ID somewhere. I did see it. Set site ID is 26. 26. Save and continue. So yeah, that's one of the unique things with this plugin is trying to find that information. So yeah, that's what you need there. Do you want to use consent per service? So that is a way of people being able to select every cookie that they want. Without that selected, yeah, they can choose to decline all advertising ones or all marketing ones, for example. So I tend to leave it on no, just so that they can choose groupings of cookies to consent rather than individual ones. Does your website use third-party services? Yeah, this plugin is quite good at being able to find third-party services that you use on your site. So it's already ticked yes and already ticked the ones that are in use without me having to do anything. So there's other ones there as well, but yeah, we're using those ones there. Does your website contain embedded social media content? I think this is from previous when we've embedded stuff, but yeah, it has found it there already. So yeah, I tend to kind of leave that unless you know there's something else you can select it, but it does a pretty good job of being able to find those for you. Does your website contain scripts for advertising purposes? So if you're using Google Ads, you can choose yes, and there's a bit more to that, but yeah, for Google Ads, we're typically going to be doing that for you. So I would say leave that to us in those instances. Does your website use WordPress comments? Very rarely I see anything using WordPress comments these days, so you can leave that as no. Great, so it's got the plugins and the services there that it is. Do you want to create a legal hub with Elementor Pro? I tend to select no. That's kind of just doing the policies in kind of a bit that you can access all together. I just select no because I rather list it. So it'll save and continue. So this is checking now all the cookies and checking with the database to see how they are how they're categorized. So we got Google Analytics here, and it sees that it's with website statistics. If you noticed before, that was a red X. You want those to go green to show that it's synced with the database, and then that will categorize it correctly. So we've got this one, and X, we don't actually use that anymore. So I'm going to delete that one for us. And continue. Scroll up the page. So this is creating the cookie policy now. One thing that I often miss is just clicking the create missing pages. Yeah, I presume it's going to do it automatically for me because it's listed there, but you do have to click the page. So once you click on that, it'll create the cookie policy for you. So you can save and continue there. You can select a menu to add it to if you want to, but I tend to not add it to a menu and just put it in the footer manually. So I'll save and continue there. Yeah, so show consent banner. So select yes, and you can go on it and design that as you wish to later, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But that's where they'll be able to accept cookies and yeah, choose which ones they want to accept or reject, essentially. Enable cookie and script blocker, again, select yes. So this will block any cookies and scripts until they've actually agreed to it, rather than running it and then taking it away later. So it's better to do it that way. So you can click on finish. That's it done. So it takes you automatically into the creating the banner. So I'll run through this quickly, and you got your banner that you can see here. But yeah, most of it tends to be okay in terms of the settings. The main thing is to go show everywhere. So as it's hide on mobile, it won't actually pop up if it's on mobile, which is the default. So it's, yeah, a bit annoying. So I tend to go show everywhere. Hover on desktop and show on mobile is fine as well. But I'd avoid the default option of hide on mobile because yeah, people can't accept the cookies, and yeah, a lot kind of used for the analytics or showing YouTube videos or something like that. So you want them to get the best experience. Save and continue, and then yeah, the rest essentially is going through yeah, just designing it how you would like to. So you can go through, do the appearance, the colors, and what the words are, and so on. The other main thing to show is that we've seen some sites, it has an issue with ultimate add-ons for Elementor. So yeah, you've got integrations on the side, you've also got integrations at the top. So you can click on those, into plugins. We may not actually have it on this site, but as you find ultimate add-on for Elementor, yeah, basically tick the integration off like so. It's forced me to do that one, but you'll be able to, yeah, untick that, and it will remove any conflicts. Yeah, there's not any cookies set by ultimate add-ons, so you can, yeah, safely switch that off. Save and continue, and yeah, that's essentially it set up.